Alright, so this is my submission for the pizza ordering app for the web and mobile development class. This is specifically mobile development 2 ICP. So I'll just run through the code real quick. Up here on our main activity, we have our various prices defined. We have an initial pizza price, as well as the various toppings, and an initial quantity set to 1. And if we go down here, we have our send email function, which is responsible for gathering all the various user inputs and checkboxes, whether or not they selected certain toppings. And down here, we actually go to send the email with the order summary message, which is a function that I defined down here. It's just simply a result of the selections that the user made on the screen. We also, of course, have our calculate price, which has the base price that we defined earlier, as well as the price for each of our toppings, and we simply return the quantity times the base price here. We have our, of course, what we were given, our increment and decrement functions, and this is a view called order summary, which will take us to a new page. Again, it takes all the various user inputs from the different checkboxes to show the order summary on a new page. I'll just show this on the emulator real quick here. Make sure, okay, so I'll input my name up here, and for toppings we'll just select all except for mushrooms because I'm not a huge mushroom fan. And for quantity, if you notice, we try to go below 1. It says please select at least 1 pizza, and if we were to go to 100, which I won't show because it'll take a while, it'll say you must select less than 100 pizzas. But for our case, we will select 2. And if we click on summary, here's our order summary. The quantity is 2, like we said, and here's the various toppings we selected, and a total price of $26. When we go back home, right now my app does not have persistent data for this screen, which is something I plan on implementing depending on how soon this gets graded. But we'll simply redo the order we just did: pepperoni, sausage, jalapenos, onions, and garlic, and go to the order. Now, when we order, this essentially submits our order, and it allows us to share the order summary in various ways. We could copy this and send it via a message, but as the ICP guidelines stated, I'm going to send this through email. So I'll go to Gmail, and this automatically brings up Gmail, and I just decided in the app, for simplicity's sake, to send it from my account to my account. But subject line is your pizza order, and here has, as we saw on the previous page, our order summary. I guess I must have selected 1 pizza this time because it's only 13 instead of 26. But yeah, if I were to go to send that, oh, I need to get rid of this. Let's go and send that. Sending message, this pops up, and once it goes away, it's done. So if I go to my Gmail real quick, you'll see I have a pizza order. It's 10:57 up here. This was just sent this minute, so you see my order summary right here. For the time being, this concludes my ICP. If it's not graded by the time I implement the functionality to keep data persistent on the home page, when I go from the summary page to the home page, I'll do that. Otherwise, this is what I have so far. It fulfills most of the requirements, and I will see you guys in the next ICP.